Hi, this is Marie and you're watching Marilet's World. On this video, we're going to make a fun Halloween lunch for the kids. You only need 3 ingredients for this: hot dogs, Pillsbury dough, and mustard. First, we're going to unwrap our dough rolls. Spread them on a tray. And slice them into thin strips. Then we're going to wrap the thin strips around our hot dogs. We'll put our Mummy hot dogs on a tray lined with parchment paper. We're gonna heat the oven up to 375 degrees and we'll bake them for 15 to 18 minutes. You can also make hot dogs mummies with arms and legs. We're gonna use the mustard to put some eyes on our Mummy hot dogs. Second batch with arms and legs. We use mustard dots for the eyes once they are baked. This is our second batch of hot dog mummies. It's a fun Halloween themed meal for kids. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out the playlist on uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food-related videos. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.